Hi, everyone. I'm Marcy Moore, and I've taken this time to create an app smashing resource site for you. And everything that you're going to need to know to learn about app smashing is going to be inside this learning resource for you. So, let me tell you how you get to this resource because you will want to open it in a tab up here in order whenever you're watching this presentation because it's going to help you work through each one of these and explain to you what you need. So you want to open that up. So this is the bit link that you can copy it if you want and go put it up in the address bar. So this is the address bar. So you could just open a link, right click paste, and then it would go in and it would put that in there for you. I'm also going to have this will be there for you so you can definitely QR code it and have it on your device if you need to. Or you would again take this bent link that's right here, you would copy it, and then you can go up, put it in your address bar. Let's see if it's going to do it. And then hit enter, and that's going to open up for you. It's going to open up what you need. So you definitely want to open that up and get to this before and open it up while you're listening to everything that's in this presentation. So the first thing that I want you to know is that I've built you a training module video library, and you're going to want to watch it first. And I will say this, I've taken every one of these modules and I have put them in the link as well. So each platform that you're going to learn about, I've put that module inside there as well. So you don't have to keep going back and forth, but I want you to have this training module so that you can, if you wanted to, you could just go right through and look at them. Or my suggestion would be to go work your way through this site like this. So when you're learning about each one, just click on them and go through the module in there. But just know that you have this training module. Once you have watched all of these modules and you've gone through this, you want to take this app verification quiz. So you'll click it, a Google form is going to open up, and you're going to have a quiz that you take. For Dr. Miller. And so that helps us do a verification that you've watched the modules in order to learn how to app smash. So since we're talking, I've also put that right here, that verification quiz. So if you need it, it's right there as well. So we want to go over this app smashing assignment, and then I'm going to explain what app smashing is. So your assignment for this class is you're going to build assessments using app smashing. So you're going to go in, and the purpose of this assignment is to have you practice creating assessment in, by smashing two or more apps together. And then you are going to be able to, you also want to practice using the technology that you're learning in this resource site. So you want to first decide if you're going to work alone or if you're going to work with a partner. And then once you decide that, you need to decide if what domain of the assessment and topic of the assessment and apps that you're going to smash. And so Dr. Miller has created a shared Google Doc to help you do that, to help you put what the group's name is, the topic of the assessment, what you're going to do. And so you want to use that. And then you want to make sure you look at due dates when everything is due. And then the second part of this is to create an assessment tool. You choose the domain and using at least two instructional tools that you've learned about in this resource site and share those with Dr. Miller. So, what is going to happen is you're going to present this as well. So, during the April 5th, the week of April 5th, you'll be presenting whatever you've created this assessment, your app smashing assessment, you will be presenting that in class. So this has everything that you need. You would definitely want to click this and go into the grading rubric and look exactly at the criteria of what is going to be needed in this project and how you're going to be graded. So you want to look at all those pieces when you're in here. And then you're going to have to toggle back because this opens up kind of a new tab So you're going to want to toggle back over here. And so that is your assignment, and everything that you're going to need, you're going to be able to go through there. Let me tell you what app smashing is. So I've put in a video, I've put in a couple explanation videos so that you can see. But the rules of app smashing is that you create content in one app. So let's say that you created something in Flipgrid and then you create content with another app. So let's say you create something in Flipgrid, but then you go in and you create a Google form quiz. And then you take that Google form quiz and you put it into your Flipgrid and you merge those two contents together, smashing it to make a final task or project. That is app smashing. Then you publish that content to the web or you share it for a learning experience. So that is app smashing all together. That's exactly what it is. And so you will want to know what that is and understand in order to get the full embodiment of this assignment and project. After that, each one of these I've gone in so you can go to there, you can watch the module, and then you definitely want to work through anything that I've shown you as far as examples in each part of these different tabs. So you're going to learn about Google Forms, you're going to learn about Wakelet, which is new. So you'll watch the module and then you'll work through some of these and get to experience them and look at the different items and resources that I've put inside of there for you. So just make sure that you go through each tab looking at what you need to in order to get everything that you need, all the benefits. The other thing that we've put in here is it's called other apps. And if you go and look in here, this is just a library of other apps that weren't even in a platform that I put in there, like a highlighted platform. But all of these are platforms that you could app smash into each other. You could also app smash them into any of these platforms that we've put out here. They can be app smashed into those. So take your time looking at these and going through the videos. This is not something that you do quickly. It's something that you go through and you make sure that you've looked at each thing and you kind of understand each part of it. So just wanted to put all of that in there for you. Explain this resource site and this presentation. I hope you have a great time going through it. It's a lot of information, so take your time looking at it, going through this training module library and understanding each platform. They're short, quick videos, they're not long. And so it will help you understand exactly what you should be doing in this app smashing project. I cannot wait to see your products.